Welcome to SC Custom Designs. It is quite late here on a Sunday, here at SC Custom Designs, and we want to take you back to the poly shed where we're going to see what we've done. Essentially, we have stained the remaining bandsaw boxes, and they're in here drying. Let's go ahead and shut this off. And here we go. We have a variety of bandsaw boxes. This is made out of bamboo, as well as this guy here. Let's move that here. And it's a good idea to come out after you have stained them and make sure that there's no drips afterwards. Some of the culprits could be like in these types of areas. And you can see here that there's some dripping there. So you can take something like this and wipe it off. And so what's going to go in here? This guy here. Now keep in mind, bandsaw boxes, you take a solid piece of wood, joined up or whatever. In this case, these are cutting boards, believe it or not, bamboo cutting boards. Now let's see here. Look at the shape of this guy. So let's put him in. Hard to do with one hand, of course. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? So that's one unit. This here is the other bamboo that we joined up. You can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably 9, I believe. And the beauty of this one here is, watch this. When you take this drawer and you stick them in, and it's hard to do with one hand, you have a side reveal. Isn't that cool? And we have this little guy here. I put that in there because, as you can see, the cavity for this drawer here is very small. And there we go. Isn't that handsome? Very, very interesting. That all came out of very plain stacked boards that was like this, almost like in a triangle. So that's what came out of that one, and that's what came out of the other one. And now we have this guy here. Once again, this was just plain, boring, joined up boards. But look what came of it. With a little bit of creativity, you can do this. Keep in mind, I started out making plain square or rectangular type bandsaw boxes. I'll stick them in there so you can see what it looks like. And yeah, that came out of really not curvy wood, okay? This is all cut out on the bandsaw like this. And this is the top drawer. Isn't that beautiful? So we have 1, 2, 3. Then, just for giggles, we have this here, which I threw a coat of black stain on. This I'm hoping is going to catch in ophthalmologist eyes. So, you know, what are you going to do with that? Well, who in the world knows? These types of things tend to catch the folks in your craft shows. They pick them out. So there you go. This Saturday, August 28th, we're going to be at our craft show. Now I have many more bandsaw boxes, and tune in to see those. Man, they are really, really, really different. It's amazing what you can do with scrap wood that you have lying around in your wood shop. Back there is an example. This here is holds toilet paper, believe it or not, and that's also from scrap wood. All right, thanks for tuning in to SC Custom Designs. Look forward to the rest of the episodes where we'll show you at our craft show all of the wonderful things. And Catherine, my wife, makes amazing things out of, you name it, with quality. Thank you. Shalom Uvracha, Totzins, Tzaitin, Masalami, Shalom Uvracha. Take care.